Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel Brian856. In this video tutorial I'm gonna show you on how to set up a Royal Tunnel VPN on your phone. Okay, this VPN is gonna help you to secure your online privacy and keep it safe when you're browsing on the internet. So in case you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel Brian856. Okay, so what you need to do, go to your Play Store and look for this app that you're seeing. It is called Royal Tunnel VPN. As you can see it, that is the icon, that is the way it looks. Okay, and make sure of the way it was designed, that is the way it looks. Okay, it is very fast and it can surely help you to secure your online connection and when you're browsing on the internet. Okay, so let me show you on how to set it up. So after installing it, you have to click to open it up. Okay, so they will show you this interface. You can choose join their Telegram group. Okay, press later. Okay, what you need to do, in case this is your first time to use it, you have to come and click here like this. Okay, if it is done, you can click here also, just like that. Okay, so as you can see, you can use the hotspot share when you're using this VPN. Just know it is really good. You can check out their Telegram group and join. Okay, so now let me show you how to set it up. In case it is your first time to open it up, they will bring you that interface, but you must have some little data to fetch the servers, which will help you to secure your online connection when you're browsing on the internet. So you come and click here, just like this, and choose one of these. Okay, so in case you're done, so you have to come and click here like this and choose out your country. In case you're in Uganda, I recommend you to use this one. Okay, choose any of these servers which can help you to secure online connection when you're browsing on the internet. So what you need to do is to just click on this start button. And so before you click to connect to start the VPN, make sure that your network is stable and it could work best on Airtel. So the other thing, in case you want to add time, this is where you click. That is where you add time from. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel Brian856. I say now.